Alright, so we are in Preston. We are in Preston right now, where I used to live back when I first started my YouTube channel. And found out these are actually heat pumps. Here's an American Standard Silver. There's the reversing valve right there. Oh, that's really hot. So 14 to 15 here. Oh my gosh, that one's really frozen. 2000. Oh, this is new. This is actually kind of new. 2020. 2.5 ton actually. Oh wait, no, that's 3.5 ton. Here's a little. This is a Carrier Tech. Is this a Carrier Tech 2000? This is a 2.5 ton from 2012. Here's another American Standard Silver. Line scroll. And it's an American Standard Heritage 13. 2018 and 2.5 tons actually. Okay. So there's a lot of heat pumps here. Yep. There's another one running here. So what? 2011. Reversing valve. There's more over here. There's more over here. Oh, sweet! There's a steam. I see a steam show. Yo, is one defrosting? Yo, this one's defrosting. This one's defrosting. This one right here. Sweet. Yo, this one's defrosting. Oh wait, that's steam. This one is defrosting, but is that steam coming from somewhere else? This thing is in defrost right now. And this little thing is not in defrost. Here's an American Standard Silver. It's 2017, 2.5 ton. Back here. One's actually in defrost. I think. Yeah, that's nice. This one's. Wait a minute. There's no heat coming out the top. This one's not actually defrosting. Wait a minute. That's weird. No. This one's not. I don't think this one's defrosting. Oh, I thought this was. Oh, there's an Ameristar. There's a little Ameristar heat pump, I think. Goodman. It's not in defrost. Oh, there's something up here. That's. There's stuff up here running in here. What the heck? Oh. Holy crap! Oh. Oh, this one's short cycling. This one's frozen over. It's short cycling. This one's short cycling right here. Yo, there's something wrong with this thing. Oh. Holy crap, yeah. Yo, this one might have a bad defrost board. Yo, something might be wrong with that Texas 1000. There's a Goodman, newer looking Goodman. Holy crap, yeah, that whole thing's frozen. Sorry I can't get to these. These are all. This one's, oh. Hello. This one just started up. I don't see any.
Go back to the car and throw it.
Yeah, sure.